Courtney. Welcome back to our channel.
Remember to like, subscribe, comment,
And turn those post notifications on.
And now,
let's get into the video. Handcuff doing a 24-hour challenge right this very moment.
Today we will be doing the blindfolded Christmas drawing challenge. And today we have a special guest, sister Sarah. Okay, so this challenge, I think we have the advantage. So we are on a team and she is all alone. Me and my little sister will both be blindfolded. She is going to tell me what to draw where because her dominant hand is handcuffed. My dominant hand is not.
And, okay, just to clarify this, I am a lot better at drawing than she is.
I suck. Like, I legit am so bad at drawing. Like, my art teacher used to fail me just because, like, I just can't even draw a stick figure.
Oh, Julie. So that is why I can't have the advantage, even though my hand's handcuffed. So either way, if I had my dominant hand, it would be an unfair challenge.
Yeah.
So this is pretty...
Yeah, because neither of the Bartoli girls can draw.
No. That meaning these two. She's all free-handed, except she is also...
She's going to be blindfolded.
Yeah,
so I'm not.
So I'm going to be blindfolded, and so is Julie. And Courtney here is going to direct Julie, but not direct me. I have to guess where I need to draw without having an assistant.
Remember, I can't help her other than direct her.
Yeah.
All I can use is my voice. I cannot use my hands.
Yeah, she could go like left. Okay, left.
And she also can't help me, because I have to guess myself.
Yeah, and she's going to come up with the topics we have to draw. And they cannot be easy. But they cannot be, Leonardo da Vinci.
All right, so we are doing 4 rounds, and I get to pick the topic.
I'm not excited.
Me either.
Okay, so let's get into it.
All right, so let's see what we're starting with.
Help me.
We should start off pretty easy, I feel. So let's start with a Christmas tree.
What? I can't draw a Christmas tree.
It's easy.
No, it's...
It doesn't have to be all decorated and stuff. It's a Christmas tree. Okay, you're starting off pretty good. Okay.
Tell me when to stop.
You're good. Stop there. All right, and now go down. Now I'll tell you when. Like, don't draw a line, but like
there.
Move your pencil. No, a little bit further down. Not too far. Right there. Now draw down a little bit and stop right there. Now go sideways, which is not that way, the other way. And now up. Okay, good. Now stop.
Okay.
Now go back to your right. Like, you can just keep it on the thing. Go to your right. Like that. Now stop. Now you're going to go up. No, without. Okay. Okay, you can do it like that. All right. Go up a little. I'm going to tell you where you left off. Up. Now put your pencil a little bit up. Okay, now go sideways the way you were going, which is, I believe, your left. Right here. Okay, keep going. I'll tell you when to stop and then move the other way. Okay? Other way. Other way. Stop. Other way. My Christmas tree cannot be that fat. Okay, stop. I feel like you're not telling me. Okay, stop it all the garland! Alright. Okay. You done, Sarah? Yeah. Now I gotta draw the ornaments. Okay, alright. Now go to the Christmas tree. Over. Left. Up. Okay. Now draw with kind of like a hook. Okay, like that. Now go over to your left. Left. Higher. Left. And now draw the same thing. Okay. Now left. Left.
Right. Down. Right there. Now draw the same thing.
We're going to unblindfold right now, okay?
Don't be surprised to how bad it is, by the way.
You were directing me.
I know, but like, still.
Okay, 1.
This is ugly.
3. Oh my goodness.
I told you. You didn't let me direct you at the beginning when you draw your triangle. You were supposed to go like that and draw like mini triangles.
Mine looks horrible.
Okay, so hold on. Judge who looks better. This is mine. Actually, it just looks like a preschooler drew it.
True.
Which is how I typically draw anyway. So, I'm not mad at it.
It's not too bad.
This is mine.
By the way, you guys are going to debate who won in the comment section.
So this is mine. Okay, now show yours one more time.
I mean, it's no
Leonardo da Vinci. But I mean, it also It's actually better drawing than I typically do.
That's number 1. I'm putting like numbers on it.
Okay.
Okay, put blindfolds back on.
I can't read.
There's really no point in having eraser in this game, is there?
No, not really. Okay.
All right. So this round, what should we do?
Don't make it too hard.
I'm not trying to. All right, let's do a candle.
Oh, that's easy.
Right. Well, not like a square candle.
What?
Like a candle. Like, you know, like the sticks.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, no, okay, stop. Back around. Stop. Sideways left. Oh, a little bit. Okay, done. No, back up to where you were. Way down. Up again. A little bit further down. Put your pencil on the thing. A little bit further down. A little bit up.
I can't see.
A little bit further down. Right?
There, and now like draw, like almost like you're drawing a triangle, but like a little bit squiggly, like flame. Yeah, like a flame. Not that small. How do I fix it? You don't have to fix it. It's fine. It still looks fine. I'm just saying, like, put it back on, and you're gonna like do it again. Up, up, down, down. Can I take off my blindfold since I'm done? Okay, now do the flame thing, but a lot bigger. A lot bigger, Julie. Guys, can I take off my blindfold since I'm done? Down, right, left again, left.
A little bit. Like
Courtney.
an
can I
inch
take off-
right.
Courtney.
An inch left. A little bit
Over. Very tiny, like a centimeter. Okay, now draw like the flame. Like go up like that and keep going up till I tell you. Now go back down. Now stop. Go left. Okay,
stop. Now you're gonna go over a little bit, and trust me when I say this because you messed it up a little bit, and we're gonna fix it. All right, now go over again without the pencil. Just move it. Right. 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 There.
Like a
Actually.
centimeter left. Okay, now draw a line down. Tell me to stop. Wait, squiggly? No, just regular. Stop. Over. Anything? Okay, you can stop way down there. Oh, okay. That's fine. Okay, now you're gonna draw like a circle figure to your right. I said your right. That's your left. Okay, back to where you were. Okay, up, down, up.
Right there. Now sideways. Right. Left. Left. Okay, good. Stop. Okay, now move your pencil to your left. Without the pencil!
You need to tell me. Oops.
It's okay. To your left. Left. Down. Okay, now just draw to your right. Stop. Actually, that was a pretty good stop. Okay, just tell you like a second before. All right, that's good, I guess. That's pretty bad, not gonna lie. It is, though. It really is.
Is it better than the other one or worse?
Worse.
Oh, man. Are you done, Sarah?
Yeah.
Yeah, she drew like 10 of them.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, look. Oh, my God.
I know, right? I know.
Hers looks so good.
I could do better than both of these. I was trying, you know, like those oval figures on the back of the like things. That's what I was trying to get you to draw. But then I was like, draw it right, so you.
Well,
could
no,
go like
what do you
that.
call it? You always mess up on what you're right and your left. So like, I was just like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
And like, oh, you got it right this time. Oops.
No, I was right with my right and left. I just stutter a little bit, and I'm like, wait, no, that way, yeah.
Okay, so show yours.
This is mine. Not too bad.
Okay.
Next time, Julie, draw
And
something
this is mine.
pretty bad.
It honestly looks like the what's that thing called? The Twin Tower while it was being destroyed. Does it not?
Kind of.
So
Ended up drawing something else.
it kind of looks like a building though.
All
That
right.
could be the stop sign, like.
So that was round 2. Candlestick, and now I'm thinking of something to draw what you guys blindfold. All right, this round we are doing a car.
What?
Yes! 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 Yes!
I
Yes!
can't draw.
Yes!
Just trust me on this, and you literally have to listen to every word I say.
Okay.
Okay, now down to the paper. Down.
I
A
don't know
little
if
bit
this
to your
is,
left. Now draw a circle.
if this is bad. It's not my best.
Tell me when to stop.
You're good, just draw a circle. And now end it like right, a little bit down. A little bit down. Like curve it around. There. Okay, now done with that. And now, actually, we're gonna go back to the wheel. I can turn that into something really good. You almost drew like a swirl, but it ends off. Like it ends off on a swirl. But I can actually turn that into 2 wheels. All right, go back to where you were at, if you can find it. Actually, a little bit over. To your right. Right, okay. Up a little bit. Right.
I'm going slow because I'm waiting. How do you put on your blindfold? Because mine keeps... Stop. You didn't tell me when to stop. I did. I said stop there. I know, but like I was going on. I'm like, oh god. Julie, how do you put on? No, that was a really good stop. It should just... I might actually have you draw that one wheel again because you kind of did a slant way up. All right. From right there, literally where you're at, draw a circle.
And I'll tell you when to stop with the circle. Stop. Up a little bit, actually. Up like a centimeter. Like a centimeter. Okay, that's good. Now stop. Don't do anything else. Move your pencil. And now move it up, down, left, 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 a little bit right. Now draw a line down. Stop.
How big is this car?
It's more like a truck. You could literally, you should write your name on it to make it a brand deal.
No, it's bad.
Okay, I think it's fine.
Julie,
It's very blocky. It's not detailed or anything. It's like literally shapes.
Oh my gosh, it isn't that bad.
Yeah, see, I had you redraw the wheel because it was down here and
Yeah.
you kind of like slant ways. But it looks like one of those brand deal trucks, doesn't it?
Yeah.
mine doesn't
It does.
look good.
But this is my car, or truck.
Yeah, technically. And now, Sarah, show yours.
That one looks better, the little.
Okay, that's how. Okay. All right, we are going to be drawing a Christmas wreath.
Oh man.
So basically, okay, Julie, ready?
It's a circle.
So draw a circle.
Here?
Yeah, make a big circle though. Not like super big, but like, okay, now draw around. Move around, still. Around. Done. Okay, now.
How was that?
It's actually pretty good, and I can go off the extra line you did because usually when you start your circle, you bring it around, and then there's an extra line in the middle because when you bring it around, but that's fine because I can turn that into the inner circle. Okay?
What?
That made no sense to you, did it?
No.
It makes it to the hole.
I'm
okay?
making multiple.
You know what I'm talking about now? All right, now you're gonna
No, I
go.
really
Put your
don't.
pencil up, like barely a centimeter up. A little bit down, right there. Now right from there without pencil. Yeah, right. All right, now, now you're gonna draw like, you know how when you draw a bow?
No, I've never drawn a bow. Or if I do, I do I do a circle, another circle, a line, and a line.
Okay.
Your dog is annoying.
Okay, that's good enough.
Oh God,
We started off good, and then the bow kind of ruined it. I'm not gonna lie. But the circle was actually pretty good. You know, if I would have picked like a tube that you would use in the pool, that would have been good.
That's what it looks
Yeah,
like. You chose
Sarah, when did you take off your blindfold?
just now.
Oh, okay.
I thought-
Yeah, Julie, you can take off your blindfold. by
Julie
the way.
said it was bad, so I thought that meant open your.
Actually, that ain't too bad.
It's really not. That's your wreath. Sarah did write on the paper. Ignore the writing. That's her wreath.
Stop writing on mine.
No, they have to know.
All right. So now voting time in the comments. So we're gonna show you all the papers. Read them.
Okay. Come on, show your Christmas tree.
Show your Christmas tree. Julie's Christmas tree.
Right here.
Sarah's Christmas tree.
Cheese.
Now the candle.
Candle time. All right. Now
Car time.
Car/truck time.
No car. You said car originally, so it's a car.
Yeah. And now the wreath for the final round.
Okay, and now we just go in the comments, and who do you think won these challenges?
I don't know. I think it's tied because I think I did better in the Christmas tree. Sarah did better in the candle. I think I did better in the truck. No,
And to go.
she did better in the car, and then
I
I
hope
did
you
better.
liked our video.
Remember to like, subscribe, comment.
And turn those post notifications on.
We'll
See you next time. Bye.
A perfect stitch.
Yeah.
I thought you tried to say sketch, and I'm like, you said stitch.
I know, I meant to say.
No, you hit me in the mouth.
I know.
Julie, I'm gonna be dead serious. This was you at first.
Don't move, you cheater.
I'm not.
She's fine. Down.
I heard a dog.
Stop. Now slant. I mean, not slant. Sorry, right. Just straight line right. Oh, stop.
Hers literally looks
I
like a
got
car.
a little unicorn thingy going on, kind of. See? Okay.
Wait, so the Christmas. Once upon a time, there's a truck that went shopping for a tree that brought home a tree and a candle.
Okay, put your.
The end.
I still have my little unicorn.
That's the.
What?
You're trying the eraser. Did I just get your mouth?
That's how you know I can't see. I'm gonna do it this way.
Woof, woof, woof. Go back down.
Reef, the
Bottom.
top of the reef, the bottom of the reef. So you're on the table.